Hi, my name is Olivia, and I just want to brag about the consultation call that I had today with Pritam because I have been going through a lot of different webinars and also other one-on-one sessions with consultation sessions, just as I did with Pritam today. The difference is so clear. Not only is his work definitely up leveled from the most of what people are developing out there. It's eye catching. It really would. It's going to make me very proud to hire him and have him design the entire funnel for my business. But in addition to that, he is not telling people you can get rich overnight. He's being very realistic, and he really earned my trust. Our call was supposed to be 20 minutes today, and he took an hour and 45 minutes with no pressure. He laid out the entire blueprint for the next 5 months for my business to get to a good level, solid level foundation of success. And one of the first principles I learned in business over 30 years ago was you have to have a long-term vision. You have to have a long-term vision, and people don't have that. They really don't. They're very impatient, and they want it right now. And there are plenty of people who will tell you they're going to help you get it overnight, and it's not going to happen. It's just not going to happen. So Pritam, you've earned my trust and you've earned my business, and I greatly look forward to becoming successful with you. Thank you so much.